Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. Music in your experimental horror film. What type should you use? And more importantly, why should it always have to be music that you use? Check out some of the late and great artists such as Andy Warhol and Jonas Mekas. You know, they used poetry, especially Jonas Mekas, a good bit of the time, instead of rather music. If you only create your own music, then you really don't have too much to worry about. However, if unless you have a special deal with a musical artist, then you can be running into different types of issues there that you don't want. Either one of you, the artist and yourself as a filmmaker. So create your own poetry. That is a good way and good avenue. That way, when you're selling your films, you're getting double the profit, so to speak. You may have fans of your poetry and fans of your experimental films at the same time, therefore avoiding any type of legal issues, so to speak. Alright, so hope this helps you. Paul Morbid of Morbid Team Entertainment. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and share our videos, join our Morbid Team Entertainment barter, buy and sell group, put a like on the Morbid Team Entertainment page, and join our group, Avant-Garde Films Philippines. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.